Alright, back to the drawing board. I know, let's make it really deadly this time. It's not going to work. What's the problem? I'm dying to know. Dying to know? That's a good one. I wanted to infect the whole world. The problem is that they went so strong, so fast, that people knew to stay away from me. But if we're not deadly, how do we go about killing people? Well, first of all, you need a long incubation period. But it's a waste of resources. Throwing the viral particles in air. For what? It's not for nothing, you know. It's so that we can infect people without them realizing it. By the time the human is stuck in bed, he will have infected his entire family over Thanksgiving dinner. No way! Yeah! And, if we make only some of the cases serious, and, most of the cases mild, then people won't even think it's, such a big deal. And, they won't take public health efforts seriously. They won't wear, masks and stuff. Because that's, the worst. When people wear masks and, try and not catch it, but we want to kill people, how are we going to do that if the disease is too mild in most people? That doesn't really... Sounds kind of counterintuitive. Maybe we can make it so that they can get it again, a different strain next time. That way, it would be much harder for them to make a vaccine, but if they get it enough times, perhaps it can kill them. Nice. Okay, so we have long incubation period, multiple strains. Anything else? Oh, I know! Maybe make it so that it creeps up. So it starts like a cold and then everyone just thinks it's a cold and then all of a sudden it's boom, pneumonia! And maybe make the symptoms vary a lot from person to person. So, some people get a runny nose, some people don't. Some people get diarrhea, some people don't. Some people get a cough, some people don't. They stay confused. Exactly! Varies from person to person. Anybody else? You know what? You guys are just useless. I'll do this myself. That's what's up. If you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe. Au revoir et à bientôt. Hey, oh, you're so sweet. You're so sweet. You're so sweet.